Rule 34, repeated fouls. This rule is very simple. All it says is if a team continues to make unnecessary or careless fouls repeatedly, and there's a lot of them, then the umpire can notify them and make the penalty more severe. So for example, if a team is constantly blocking and they do it repeatedly and they've got 6 or 7 calls in a chukker, then the umpire can start moving them up. So for example, if it would have been a penalty 4, the umpire can make it a penalty 3. And they can continue to do that until the team starts to be more careful and not make the same repeated foul, silly fouls. We don't use this rule very often. It's unusual, but I have used it before, and I'm not sure it works. A lot of times players are fouling. Nobody fouls on purpose unless they're trying to get time out for a horse change or something like that, and that doesn't happen very often. So it's an unusual rule. I'm not saying anything about the rule. I'm just saying that is the rule, and it is occasionally used, but it will be used with notice. You'll be notified before it's imposed, and then you can tell the player who's making the same foul over and over again to stop making that foul, and he'll probably continue making the foul. But it is the rule, and you should know. It's team dependent. So let's say you have a white team and a black team, and the black team is the one that's making the careless and repeated foul consistently. Then all the black team penalties will be moved up and not the white team. Sometimes it's both teams, and then both teams' penalties will be moved up. But it will not happen unless the umpire notifies you first. That is, they're going to start doing that, and then they'll do it. And then they can unimpose the rule later when things clean up a little bit. So just know that that's possible. Very seldom used, but it is possible, and it's part of our rules. So you should know about it.